What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Akaso, and we're taking a look at their Brave 6 Plus. Now, as you guys can see, this is a full-on 4K, 30 frame per second action camera that can do an insane amount of things. It comes with multiple batteries. It comes with a cool little wrist thing that allows you to actually start recording video or taking pictures without ever having to even reach up if the camera's on your head, or reach down if it's on your, chest or something like that, and to fiddle for the button. You don't need to do any of that. You don't even need to mess with the touchscreen, which it actually does have. On top of that, when it's inside of the case, you can control it with your button, so you're pretty much good in terms of that as well. But my absolute favorite feature about this, you're actually able to pair it directly with your iPhone. There's a full-on app, and then get this, you can actually control the camera and view a live feed of what you're recording directly on your iPhone, which is absolutely amazing. There's also other basic settings. For example, you can go and mess with the angle and how wide angle it is and so on and so forth, which is really, really cool as well. You also get 8 times zoom. You can take 20 megapixel pictures, which is really, really cool, and it can survive up to 131 feet underwater, which is crazy as well. Comes with 2 batteries and a billion different accessories, which are boxed really, really nice inside of these little compartments that say 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. A kind of unusual feature this has, but might be really, really useful when you're trying to surf or something of those sorts, is the voice start. You can actually tell it when you want to start recording, which is really, really cool. Lastly, let's talk about some of the modes this comes with. You actually get yourself time-lapse recording, so you can set this down and have it film a full-on sunset, and then it will convert it into a time lapse for you. There's also driving mode, which is cool, and slow motion, which is really, really awesome as well. One of the more useful ones that I use on a daily basis is self-timer, really great for taking some cool shots. And there's also burst and loop recording, which is cool as well, so you can get little segments of videos, and that just makes life way easier when you go to edit in post. So the only thing that's a downside to this camera, I am not the biggest fan of the stabilization. Now, they say there's electronic image stabilization 2.0. It's okay, it's great. It does stabilize. You guys can look at the footage for yourself. But at the same time, when you're trying to run, when you're trying to board, when you're trying to do anything of those sorts, you're going to have to stabilize in post, so keep that in mind when you get one of these as well. But short of that, everything else, quality-wise, it's 4K, you can do 2K, you can change it up and take cool pictures, you can do literally anything of it. And to be honest, if stabilization is the worst thing at this price range, honestly, you still got yourself a pretty awesome deal. So check it out in the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so you'll leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.